Hello everyone and welcome to CNCTrain, where we help you digitally transform your workforce. Today, we have an exciting video in store for you, so let's dive right in. At CNCTrain, we specialize in the digital transformation of your standard operating procedures or SOP. From upgrading your procedures to transforming your entire workforce digitally, we have got you covered. But before we delve deeper, let's take a moment to learn more about our company. CNCTrain has been in the business for 11 successful years, focusing on building learning and development opportunities. Our hybrid solutions have certified over 15,000 individuals, specializing in advanced manufacturing technology training, skill development, and advancement. We are committed to your success and continuously upgrade ourselves to meet industry standards. In fact, we have held a record for skill development for an impressive 38 years. With access to 5,000 plus installations worldwide and partnerships with esteemed organizations like Sector Skill Councils, IASC, ASDS, IHK, and more, you can trust us to deliver exceptional services. Now, let's explore the services we provide. We offer interactive standard operating procedures that can be used as e-learning modules for upskilling. Our interactive videos provide detailed step-by-step instructions, making it easier than ever to digitize your SOP. Here is how it works. We take your existing SOP, document or video and transform it into a more engaging and interactive format. Using our learning management system, LMS, we convert your content into a digital learning medium. We track its usage, monitor completion rates, and even develop assessments to evaluate understanding. Finally, it will help you in seamless onboarding of your employees. So, how can digital SOP benefit your organization? Let's take a look. Firstly, it allows for language localization, making your SOP accessible to a diverse workforce. It also increases accessibility for workers, enabling them to access the information they need anytime, anywhere. Moreover, digital transformation leads to reduced development time and cost, as well as shorter training durations. By digitizing your SOP, you uncover hidden skills within your workforce, ultimately improving the overall quality of your shop floor. Now, let's talk about the stakeholders who benefit from this transformation. These include end users, human resources, engineering managers, supervisors, production managers, the learning and development team, and the management team. Each of them gains valuable insights and improved efficiency through our digital SOP solutions. We have reached the end of this video. Subscribe CNCTrain and drop a like here.